Using my own strategy, I generated this signal. It was a little bit risky, but I must stick to the rules. Yeah, discipline is the difference between traders who last and those who quit. This strategy took me 7 years to perfect because I focused on striping away distractions. The result is something simple, straight to the point, and strong enough for any session. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.